The triple filter test. Speak wisely. Have you ever paused to consider the impact of your words? Picture this. Socrates, the great philosopher, asks us to reflect before speaking. One day, a man is eager to share gossip, but Socrates intervenes with his renowned triple filter test. Is it true? Socrates questions. Truth is foundational. Without it, words become hollow. The man falters, unsure of his claim's veracity. This is a reminder that honesty should be our guiding compass. When words align with truth, they possess power and integrity that resonates deeply. Is it kind? Socrates asks next. Words have the strength to heal or hurt. The man's response acknowledges that his intention isn't kind. Let's remember that kindness colors our communication, making connections stronger and uplifting. Always choose words that spread compassion and understanding in every interaction. Is it necessary? Is Socrates' final inquiry. Sometimes, silence is more powerful. The man's admission that his tale lacks necessity underscores the importance of speaking only when words add value. Consider whether your words are essential in making a meaningful difference or merely adding noise. Join us in adopting the triple filter test. Next time you speak, ask, is it true? Is it kind? Is it necessary? Share this video to inspire others to reflect on their words. Let's cultivate conversations rooted in truth, kindness, and necessity, creating a positive impact together.